Ski! Welcome back to the channel, Sonny Squad. And if you're new, welcome to the channel. How y'all doing? I'm Sonny and this is Sonny Kicks. I'm not even sure how I forgot about doing this video, but nonetheless, here it is. Some of the best ways to lace up your Air Max 97s. And yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so like always, I'm gonna start off from scratch. This is the final product, how it should look. And yeah, let's get right into it. I have the shoe completely unlaced. That way you can see how I do it from start to finish. So I'm gonna go under instead of over because I like under over better. All right, make sure they're even. All right, and once they're even, you're gonna continue to lace them fairly loosely all the way up. And I almost forgot to mention, these little loopholes on the tongue or whatever, I'm gonna completely ignore those. So now that I have it all the way up to the top, I have a lot more laces than I want. So I'm gonna go ahead and loosen them up. That way I can get them to fall to like about here. And yeah, that'll be it. Lacing style number 1, the loosey goosey.
One word away from being higher than the atmosphere. No man but God, and that's barely. Loyal to the fame and to the money whom I married. I rap like Bruce Fight, it's hard to compare me. I might be too nice for y'all to act scary. I'm very sure I'm more than you can fathom. I spit acid, all the shit that you can't imagine. Pen and padding, paper darkening from the ashes of raw classics. Class act but full of madness. I heard the early bird gets the worm, and all the feathers he could ever earn.
So following up after this, I'm gonna do the regular tie. So I'm gonna start off by removing the laces from the top eyelids. Tighten up the rest of the shoe. Well, not tighten it, but keep it fairly loose. Make sure the laces are even, and then go ahead and tie them. And finally, I see this style being done a lot on Air Max 97s, and then just tuck the laces behind the tongue. And in order to make them stay back there, you could do a little knot behind the tongue. A little double knot. And yeah, just stuff the laces off to the side. And yeah, it's very easy. All you do is tuck the laces in. It doesn't get any more simple than that. So if you enjoy content like this, want to see more, this is definitely the place for you. I do other sneaker videos, clothing videos, lacing videos, and yeah, anything else relating to sneakers or clothing content, it's all here on the channel. So once again, if you enjoyed, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, or if you haven't yet, bro, what are you waiting for? The grind is not stopping. We on that road to 100K. Comment down below which lacing style did you like the best, and yeah. I hope all of y'all have an amazing day. Stay safe and see you next time.